Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. So in this video we are going to look at Voxel Airdrop, how to build and earn free Voxel token. I've made a previous video on this project, and if you have not started, the link will be in the video description, and also my promo code will be in the video description. Use my promo code Jenny. Put it here. Put my promo code here. Tap on this star. You will see promo code, tap Jenny in capital. You are going to receive a commission for using my promo code, and also the referral link will be in the comment section. Make sure you start mining Voxel. Voxel is an airdrop in Telegram that is going to do well. Once you see a project that is going to do well, by me looking at how the structure is and everything, the activities in the bot, you will know that these projects are not here for a joke, they are here for a business. Join now immediately and start building your blocks to earn not just the Voxel token, but also you can win Telegram stars or Voxel star that you can convert to ton. So why not to start immediately? Now, what you need to do is you need to build your block. How do you build your block? Tap on this start build. Tap on start build. Then I have to click on this random. Okay, they said inventory full. So I need to buy a block. I need to buy a model so that I can continue. So how do I buy a model? So to buy a model, all I have to do is to click on this place that said buy and hold. Click on this place that says buy and hold. Tap on it. You are going to purchase it with, if you want to buy for this one, it's going to cost you 2 ton. It's going to cost you 2 ton, and you are getting Voxel points 334. But if you want to use this particular one, it's going to cost you 500 stars. So let me check if I have up to 500 stars on my wallet. So you click on the wallet section. So right now, let me check if I have Telegram star. Okay, I have 685 Telegram stars. So let me go and buy so that I can build more. I can build my model, and by building your model, you are accumulating the Voxel token. So now click on build. Now click on buy. So I'm going to click on this Telegram stars. Wow, I've purchased it and my point has increased. So how do you build a model? Watch this video closely so that you understand how you can build a model. Now you need to click on start build. Then you click on free. So I need to purchase this one again. Click on the 15 stars. So I've purchased this one. Let me go back and know if I can actually start building. What I'm going to do is to click on this plus sign right here. I'm going to purchase for 0.2 ton, and I'm getting 33 Voxel points. And if I purchase for 70 stars, I'm getting 9. So I'll click for stars. Let me purchase with stars. So I've finally purchased with stars. Now I'll go back to build. Now I'll click on start build. Click on random. So right now I'm going to start building. I'm going to start building again. So at the rate of 0.4, I'm going to start building again. Can you see? Just be zooming your phone. Be zooming your phone. As you're zooming your phone, you're building a block. Be zooming your phone. This is what you will do that will generate the NFTs you are going to sell and convert it to ton. Without building block and participating in other activities, you will not be able to. You must participate. So to build a model, all you have to do is just to be tapping on the screen, or you zoom your screen. As you are building a model, can you see the percentage? The percentage is 22.11. As you are building it, you are going to, once you complete it to 100%, you have built a block, and that block will generate the NFT for you. It will generate Voxel token for you. make sure that you build your token. It's by building your token that will generate you more income, and also your Voxel point will also increase. Can you see what is going on right here? Can you see how the block is being built? And I'm at the rate of 47, sorry. Just build your block. That will help you to earn Voxel point stroke NFT. So build your block. As I'm building it, look at what is going to happen. I'm 61%. I'm still building. Be tapping or you'll be zooming your screen, whichever one that is convenient. Now, right now I'm zooming. I think zooming is better. The more you zoom, see what is, can you see it has changed color? I'm at 100%. Can you see what is happening? You are going to see that I have connected this one. So without stress, can you see I have one glasses. This is my glasses, and this is the float rate at 0.0053, and this is 19 blocks, 190 blocks, and this is the blockchain fee. So you can as well copy it if you wish. So this is how you build block. This block that you are building is what will give you the, what they say, inventory full. For me to build another block, I need to buy model. So right now we have so many tasks to do. You need to subscribe to their channel. You need to follow their Twitter handle. You need to join Voxel community. In fact, invite friends. Do your tasks here. We have a lot of tasks to do. That you will be able to earn more Voxel points and stars. Sometimes once you do it, you're going to earn both the Voxel token and star. Like now, if you join to Voxel community, you're going to gain 20 Voxel and 1 star. If you invite 2 friends, you're going to earn 60 Voxel and 5 stars, and some other tasks here to do. So if you have not started mining Voxel, link in the video description. Now if you go back to market, so right here on the marketplace, this is where you sell or buy your models. You can sell all the models that you have built here, or buy more models. If you are buying, this one is going to cost you 4.978 ton, and this particular one is going to blow in will cost you 2.458 ton. So this is the marketplace, and that is where you will sell or you buy more model for your building. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. So this is your wallet. This is where you exchange your Voxel point to ton, and you must do that only if you are eligible, only if you participate actively on the bot. If you don't participate actively on the bot, there is no way you can exchange your Voxel to ton. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.